Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jinu from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 angles up and out, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's bring it out from the top. Now at the end, let's angle it in. Now underneath, let's draw a circular curve down. Now top and side, and let's draw a circle on the left. And then in the center, let's draw a larger curve behind and up. And color these in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a line across on top. Now on top of the eyes, let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a line across on top of each eye. Then from the center, let's bring it up slightly. And then bring it over to the ends on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop out and let's draw a V-shaped point down on both sides like this. And then let's angle it down and in for the sides of the face. And then let's bring it down to a point for the chin. Now top back inside and let's draw a small curve for the nose and a larger one underneath for the mouth. Now top out and let's draw a curve on both ends for the ears. And then let's add a curve inside with a bump at the bottom. Now we're going to hop to the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start on the top left and we're going to draw a curve up and then wave it down on top of the eyebrow. Now let's curve it up at the bottom. And let's draw a longer curve over and up next to it. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve up to the right and bring it down. And then let's curve it up. And then for the next piece of hair, we're going to curve it over to the right and up like this. And then a wavy line down to the ear. Now we're going to hop back up to the top and draw a curve across here. And then inside, let's draw some curves going up. Now let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up on the left and then wave it down to the ear. And then for the right side, let's do the same thing with a larger curve over. And curve it up and bring it down to the ear like this. And lastly, let's hop inside and let's draw a line down and 2 angles up at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw a long V-shaped point And then inside, let's draw a curve for the necklace. And then a curve across for the top of the t-shirt. Now top out and let's draw the collar of the shirt. Let's draw an angle down from the tops of the shoulders and then bring it in. And then another point underneath. Now top to the center and let's draw a line down and add 2 circles for the buttons. Now at the bottom, let's draw the belt with a curve across. Bring it down on both ends. And another curve underneath. And now inside, let's draw 2 lines on the left and on the right. Now that we're done the belt, let's move back up and let's draw a line down on both sides. Now top back down, and from the top of the belt, let's draw a small curve out on both sides. And then a line down underneath each side. Now let's continue the shirt by bringing it down and in. Now that we're done the torso, let's hop out and let's draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's bring it down. And angle in. Now let's angle it back out. And then let's curve it in to the body. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down each side. And then a curve across. And let's add a small circle inside. Now to continue the arms, let's draw 2 angles underneath each side. Now from the inside, let's angle it down and then curve it back up for the thumbs. And then let's hop out, let's angle it out. And then let's curve it back in and up. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath and let's draw a long line down on both sides. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right side. And then 2 lines down underneath. And close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. And lastly, for the pants, let's hop in and let's draw a curve on the top corners for the pockets. Now let's hop back to the bottom and let's draw the shoes. From the inside, let's draw a set of lines down. Then let's hop out and let's draw a curve out and bring it down like this. And then close off the bottom of each shoe. Now top inside and let's draw another line across at the bottom. And then a curve down for the toe of the shoes. And an angle across the top. And then inside, let's add some lines for the laces. And lastly, inside each shoe, let's draw a small heart. And that's it for Jinu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!